Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cam Learning List about how to use simple present tense for the 7 video បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ channel Cam Learning List សាជាថ្មីបាទការប្រើប្រាស់ simple present tense នៅវីដេអូទីបាទ7ណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងចូលដល់ exercise បាទសំកែតែម្ដងណាគឺតពីវីដេអូទីមុនកន្លែងគេដាក់ឲ្យយើងបំពេញឲ្យត្រឹមត្រូវតាមបាទតាមទម្រង់នៃអក្សរសព្ទដែលគេឲ្យមកណាអូខេចឹង number 1 number 2 rồiយើងចូលដល់ number 3 តែម្ដងណា number 3 Simon គេអក្សរសព្ទគេឲ្យគឺ to have 12 two rabbits and 5 goldfish okay so Simon has right okay ចឹងប្រើជាមួយនឹង third person ជាប្រតិបត្តិវចនៈគឺយើងប្រើមួយ has number 4 I to be you're from Vienna Austria so I to be okay I am number 5 they to be Sandy parents was it they was it they are right okay now let's go to the next more practice បាទឥឡូវយើងចូលដល់ more practice ហើយមានន័យថាអនុវត្តថែមទៀតនៅ exercise ពីយើងមានច្រើនអូខេចឹងយើងចូលដល់ចំណុច A put the verbs in the brackets into the simple present or present simple sometimes you do not need to change the verb in bracket បាទចូលដាក់អក្សរសព្ទនៅក្នុងវងកញ្ចក់ឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវតាម present simple ជួនកាលអ្នកមិនចាំបាច់ផ្លាស់ប្ដូរអក្សរសព្ទនៅក្នុងវងកញ្ចក់ទេអញ្ចឹងបើសិនអក្សរសព្ទហ្នឹងគឺត្រូវហើយយើងយកមកដាក់តែម្ដងតែបើសិនអក្សរសព្ទហ្នឹងវានៅខ្វះ s e s i s ឬក៏ចំណុចណាមួយគឺយើងបន្ថែមឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវណា Okay for example អញ្ចឹងយើងឧទាហរណ៍កន្លែង 0 នេះអញ្ចឹង she ក៏មក catch the bus to school at about 7 o'clock អញ្ចឹង she catch យើងថែម est catches right ដោយសារយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង third person singular ប្រតិវេវចនៈ like she okay for number 1 let's continue it often the verb rain at this time of the year so you can complete it often rains right rain with s because you use with third person number 2 I not try to work I go by bus right so I not mean done right okay don't try number 3 she usually the verb have lunch at about 1 o'clock she what is it she has right number 4 Tom not earn much money in his job right so Tom doesn't earn number 5 this problem verb not happen very often this problem doesn't happen and number 6 lions not live in Arctic okay so lion don't because lion is plural right so don't live number 7 ice the verb float on the water so I must it floats mean with s number 8 wine not come from oranges so not mean doesn't right doesn't come and number 9 Diana and her brother live in London but they not work there okay Diana and her brother live right okay pause there in London but they was it they don't work okay number 10 the last one my son usually cry when he is hungry so my son usually cry with the third person everyone you have to change y to r-e-i-s cries okay now let's go to the sign part B everyone B complete the question in present simple បាទយើងមកបញ្ជាក្នុងសំណួរបាទអញ្ចឹងដោយសារគេមានចម្លើយខ្វះសំណួរណា for example 0 A does Alan use computer B Yes, Alan uses a computer. Okay, and number 1, yeah, A, in an office. B, no, Carol works in a factory. Okay, trongសំណួរដល់មកទៅ Dash, yeah, what's it? What's the name at the moment? Carol. Carol, right? Okay, so Dash, Carol work, yeah, in an office. Okay, yeah, now let's go to number 2. Yeah, A, where play your games? Yeah, and the answer B, we play our games in the local park. Okay, so the question, where do you play, right? Yeah, do you play your games? Number 3, A, yeah, the bus to school. The answer B, yes, I take a bus to school every morning. So the question, do, right? Do you take the bus to school? Okay. And number 4, when, yeah, letter B, the shop closed. Yeah, the shop closed at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, when was it? When do the shop close? Okay. Okay, let's go to number 5. A, yeah, abroad on holiday every year. B, yes, we go abroad every year. So, do, right? Do you go, yeah, do you go abroad on holiday every year? Okay, so this is all for exercise, and let's go to the next. Okay, now let's go to exercise part C. Yeah, change the statement into question. Yeah, យើងបដូរប្រយោគហ្នឹងឲ្យទៅជាទំនងសំណួរបាទគេឲ្យមកជាស្របណា Okay, for example, I go swimming. Yeah, how often? Check it out. How often do you go swimming? Okay, Tom go to work how? So how does Tom go to work? And number 2, Sally visits her parents. So when? So what's it? When does Sally visit her parents? Number 3, they go on holiday every year. So the verb where? Okay, where? So the question verb where? Where do they go on holiday every year? Okay. And number 4, I get home in the evening. What time? So the question, what time, do you get home in the evening? Number 5, we always make mistakes. Yeah. Why? Question verb. Why do you always make mistakes? Number 6, the kid has lunch at 1 o'clock. Yeah. So what? Okay. What does the kid have? Yeah. What does the kid have? Yeah. At 1 o'clock. Okay, no need to plus lunch. Yeah, at 1 o'clock. Okay, now let's go to exercise part D, everyone. Okay, part D, just the word in bracket to make sentences that are true, sometimes you will need doesn't or don't. Okay. គេយើងប្រើពាក្យនៅក្នុងមុខវចនដើម្បីបង្កើតចេញជាប្រយោគដែលពិតជួនកាលយើងប្រើ sometimes ជួនកាលអ្នកនឹងត្រូវប្រើ doesn't ឬក៏ don't អញ្ចឹងបើសិនប្រយោគខុសយើងបដិសេធមកតែប្រយោគត្រូវហើយគឺ okay ណា Okay, for example, the zero, yeah. Oh, the sun rises in the east, right? The sun rises in the east, right? The correct, right? So if the correct, you just write out in the positive. Number one, oil float on water. Correct, right? Right, so you have to write oil, yeah, floats on water. Okay. And number two, Kate eat grass. So no, it's not correct, right? So you have to use the negative form. Yeah, Kate don't eat grass. Okay. And number three, cotton come from sheep. No, right? So the negative. Yeah, cotton doesn't come from sheep. And number four, tigers eat raw meat. Correct, right? So tigers eat raw meat. And number five, the sun set in the north. So not correct, right? The sun set in the west. So in the negative form. The sun, doesn't set in the north. Okay. Okay, and go to the next exercise. E. You are write about your activities that you do every day using always, usually, often, sometime or never. Okay. ចឹងនៅក្នុងចំណុចនេះគឺគេឲ្យយើងសរសេរនៅសកម្មភាពប្រចាំថ្ងៃរបស់យើងដែលយើងអាចប្រើនៅ adverb of frequency ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងណា Okay. ចឹងឥឡូវគឺយើងអាចសរសេរមកអំពីសកម្មភាពរបស់យើងប្រចាំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងបាទមាន always, usually, often, sometime, never បាន5មកចឹង example ណាខ្ញុំគាត់ជាឧទាហរណ៍ទេយើងអាចសរសេរផ្សេងពីខ្ញុំក៏បានដែរ Okay, I always get up at 6 o'clock, for example, or 6 a.m. Okay. And can you usually, for example, I usually have a breakfast at school. And often, okay, I often visit my friends, okay, at the weekend, for example. And sometime, okay, I sometimes go shopping with my wife. Okay. The last one, never. What's it? I never go to the movie theater. Okay, so that's all. And that's all for the exercise, and everyone, yeah for the whole yeah sentence or for